Come whip it with me, 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 come whip it with me. Shea the lady, whipping all the sauce, 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 whipping all the sauce. I am the Shea Butter Lady, and I'm going to show you guys how to whip the sauce. Shea Butter sauce, that is. So first, I'm going to just show you all the ingredients, everything that you will need to make your own whipped sauce. You will first need a bowl to mix all the ingredients in, mixing spoons to measure out your oils, shea butter, of course, a mixer. I have containers here that I'm going to put my final product in. And then I have the fragrance oil, which I'm going to be using is blueberry cobbler. Yum, yum, yum. And you can use different types of oils, from almond oil to virgin olive oil, grapeseed oil. Today I will be using avocado oil, and all of these different types of oils are beneficial for your skin. I'm not using a different types or a whole lot of different oils because I feel like the simpler the better. All right, so let's get started. First, you want to get the shea butter. This is about a half a pound. Try not to get my hands messy, but you know what? It's also the fun part. And this is why I have the towel here for stuff like this. All right. Because the next thing I touch is going to have shea butter all over it. All right. Now I'm using avocado oil. This is a tablespoon. So I'm going to do like 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. Make that 4. And then I'm going to use the fragrance oil, which is blueberry cobbler. Now you can also, these are oils you can use in candle making as well. You have to be very particular of what type of oil, fragrance oil you're getting, and if it's conducive for your skin. This is no problem for your skin. So I'm gonna just do 1 tablespoon. Okay. See how simple that was? And now we're just gonna mix it together. Soft now. Boop, boop, boop. Normally, I just lay it right there on the towel. Look at this consistency. It's like nice and fluffy. Ah! Looks looks great. Ooh. Now I smell like blueberry cobbler. And I'm nice and moisturized. That's it. Shea butter, baby. Gotta put it in a container. So, spatula. Take all the fluffiness. Just scoop that right on in there. Now, because it's so fluffy, you want to be able to beat it down to get all the air pockets out. See the little holes? Pop there, another one. Pop goes okay. And then you get all them holes out. There you go. Got your whipped shea butter. Look at that. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow the Shea Butter Lady for more videos. Look at that. Come whip it with me. Come whip it with me. Come whip it with me. Come whip it with me.